gonna file your nails down. It's not too painful, right?
No.
That's good. The point of the treatment is to thin down this nail so that when we apply the topical antifungal medication, it will be fine. The nails are quite thick. How long have you had the infection for?
I believe like 4 years at least.
Okay, that's a very long time. And the longer you have an infection, the more deformity it can cause in the nail, unfortunately. And it could cause nail thickness, nail bed damage, and it can get very, very uncomfortable. Does your infection hurt or anything?
Not really.
No. Sometimes it can hurt because the increase in pressure in the nail bed causes irritation in nerves in the nail bed, and then because there's so much nerve ending in the nail bed, it can be a little bit uncomfortable. So what we're doing now is just cutting back the nail. If we look in between the toes, we also got some maceration, some tissue wetness. And this usually is caused by wetness in between the toes. So the most important thing is to dry in between your toes after you shower. And then we'll put some surgical spirit, and that will dry out that area. The bad thing about this is that it can accumulate a lot of germs. The tissue can become really fragile, and the tissue can split and cause a secondary infection. So we really need to treat that. Also, my recommendation is to prescribe some antifungal powder. You okay?
Yeah.
Does that look good?
Much better.
Yeah. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to cut this away. Now, because the fungus is underneath the nail, lots of people would think that this would hurt. But actually, it doesn't, because the tissue's dead. And you can see from there, there's lots of fungus inside. So we just cut this back. A little bit uncomfortable. Which one's better, Brazilian waxing or me treating your toe?
You treat.
I told you it wouldn't
With
be.
Brazilian waxing, I want to scream.
You want to scream?
I don't, but I want to.
Okay, good. Screaming is normal when you have it done. There's a little bit of bleeding there. We'll dress that up in a minute. Spray some antiseptic first. Lots of gunk on underneath there. So this is not going to hurt.
Okay.
This area is just under a lot of high pressure. So you build a little bit of callus. This doesn't hurt at all, does it?
No, not at all.
No. Do you file this down or anything like that?
Do I what?
Do you file it down, or do you just let it grow bigger?
I just let it
Grow.
I've never done anything.
And it stopped, hasn't it, in a way?
I think it's a little bit bigger than it used to be.
Oh, really? So once I finish scalpeling this down, you could get a foot file and file it regularly to keep it down. It's just hard skin from your shoes that you're wearing that irritates it. Yeah.